Good morning. It's a great pleasure to be here on behalf of Sky at such an illustrious event to talk about so many issues around the oceans. I'm here to give a brief introduction to the work of Sky as a corporate and a voice tackling the ocean plastic crisis. The campaign started with our news reporting over 3 years ago, and Sky Ocean Rescue as an environmental campaign was launched in 2017. We started first by looking within our own business to remove single-use plastics. It felt like the natural starting point, and with an ambitious aim to be single-use plastic-free in all our products, businesses, and supply chains by the end of 2020. And in addition to that, we wanted to use our voice and platforms to talk about the issue. And we've already engaged with over 130 million people across Europe in the last 2 years around this challenge. We've also worked specifically with WWF on some specialized MPAs across the European coasts, and I have a short video to give more on the campaign.
Sleepwalking into an environmental catastrophe. The ocean, where life on Earth began, is being turned into a synthetic soup.
The main mission is to make people behave differently with single-use plastic.
Buonasera a tutti, benvenuti al secondo live di X Factor.
Sky have been running campaigns on plastic use.
Our duty to act is upon us, and it is urgent.
I pass on plastic.
I pass on plastic.
I pass on plastic.
My role is specifically Sky Ocean Ventures, which is about accelerating the entrepreneurial opportunity that stems from doing the right thing. 1 year ago, we launched our media-powered impact investment fund with a £25 million commitment to invest in and accelerate new science and technology that can address the plastic crisis. And we've already started to build a portfolio of young companies developing new technologies to deliver globally impactful and sustainable solutions to the plastics challenge. We're focusing on 3 key areas: material innovation, technologies that foster more responsible consumption, and the circular economy as applied to plastics. Some examples include Choose Water, a sustainable water company that's built a prototype plastic-free water bottle that breaks down naturally. Skipping Rocks Lab, a team of scientists using seaweed to replace plastic packaging. OOW, a company that creates digital tools to promote and reward recycling using smart scanning devices. We have a company, NatureBeads, who creates completely biodegradable alternatives to plastic microbeads. Quantec, who you'll hear from Kate shortly. NordSense, using cutting-edge sensor technology and AI to optimize waste management. And Adam, an ex-Dyson engineer who's created a specialized washing machine filter to capture microfibers that currently are going into our ocean. And we're not doing it alone. We've developed an ecosystem of expert partners to attract the best entrepreneurial talent and help them scale their solutions. One of these partners is National Geographic, whom we're running a global innovation challenge to seek out new innovators. And we want to reiterate, this is not philanthropy. We want these businesses to grow and become large and commercially sustainable. So we look for companies that can be profitable and can scale up. The main objective is impact. We want our portfolio to make a difference in the reduction of plastic waste. So as well as the investment, we support entrepreneurs with mentoring and help from our 30,000 employees across Europe and with areas such as design, business strategy, operations, marketing. And the startups can also trial their products on our campuses across Europe. Each solution is showcased on our channels, and the platforms help raise awareness, encourages early adoption, and change in the consumer behavior. It's about creating links between businesses, viewers, and innovators. Plastic pollution is a problem of system design, but the plastic problem is solvable. Each of the companies we've invested in shows that market forces can help us design and build a different system for plastic, and consumers want change. We believe impact investment is a tool that can help bring much-needed solutions to consumers and the market and force change from grassroots. Sky is a purpose-driven organization that takes risks, just as we're doing with Sky Ocean Ventures. So it's my pleasure to introduce one of our innovators, CEO of Quantech, Kate Murray-Green.